Hello world, sonofthesol here, ready to shine some light. How you breathing today? How you feeling today? I made this video out of nowhere because I want to just share information on like what I think is sun gazing and my way of approaching it. It'd be pretty quick, but I never really just like made a video like just instructing on how I go approach it. But you know, first is your location. Like, make sure you're at least in the park. Make sure there's soil on the ground, you know. So my feet, I'm about to take off my sneakers. Right now, the sun is setting right now. The sun's about to set. I'm within the hour window right now. If anybody who's new getting to sun gazing, this is like the perfect time. It's because, you know, your eyes isn't really used to taking in so much light. Because we as human beings, we look at it indirectly. So I'm about to do it right now, and I guess I'm gonna show the process on how I go about it. So the sun is right here. It's right in front of my face. My feet is planted right now, and I'm actually gonna go like in higher increments. For people who are not used to sun gazing, I'd say, you know, start in the 10-second range, and every day just up your 10 seconds. 10 seconds, 20 seconds, 30 seconds, 40 seconds. After you do that, after you finish sun gazing, what you do is you take your hands, palm your hands, and you cover your eyes. And most important thing about doing it, you know, you do this for 2 minutes, and most important thing is making sure you're breathing, taking nice deep breaths. And that's about it. And just be mindful of, like, you know, sensations you feel. Just be present, and you may notice things that that you may find a connection to this whole process. So let's start this. I'm gonna do it for 30 seconds. I actually don't even have I don't have a timer or anything right now. I'm just doing this on a whim, but I don't even have a tripod. I don't got a stand, but I'll do it anyways. Let's do this. So I'm gonna do it in 30 seconds. I'm gonna do 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 28, 29, 30. There's so many benefits with the sun gazing that I've learned that that really makes it a big deal. You get a real hit of vitamin D3. And D3 is there to help regulate serotonin levels in the body, the overall mood. People with a low vitamin D deficiency are subject to problems with depression, anxiety. So when you want to ground yourself, sun gazing is a way. Or if you're not even trying to sun gaze, just getting out in the sun, making sure you go outside. I know what this feeling is like, I'll keep myself cooped up in the house, but because I got this relationship with the sun, I'm out so much more, So that's a big deal. I'm winging it right now. I didn't even count how long this 2 minutes is, but I'm just keep my eyes closed. This whole week has been it's been pretty cloudy, and the sun really wasn't out. It was raining from time to time. So that happens. Sometimes I don't look at the sun. As a matter of fact, I don't sun gaze as often as I used to, but whenever I do get a chance and I get a moment to myself, I will stare at the sun. I will sun gaze. But I guess my journey has actually went beyond the process, but it's still with me, So I'll always share this type of information. It's one of my epiphanies. Okay, I don't know if that was 2 minutes, but so sun gazing completed. If anybody who's a sun gazer, comment below. Let me know your process. How do you go about it? For those who are interested, take your time, one step at a time, and allow yourself to build this relationship. For me, it was very important. It was a pivotal moment in my life, so. But yeah, do what you gotta do. Yeah, that was nice. I felt good. Stay bright.